make a short video, hopefully it'll work here, on doing the query the climate. It's really easy once if you've done the other and gotten the climate change imported. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a command line. On Windows, you really should use CMD for this and not PowerShell. PowerShell often gives you permission problems. So I'm going to navigate to where MongoDB is. All right. Now, notice that mine is users, Steve Conger. Yours should be users in your name. CD takes you back to the root. So I am going to change directory, and it will always be program files. This is on Windows, of course. And it will be MongoDB. It will be server. Yours will probably be 4. Mine is 3.6. It's a little bit earlier version, but yours will probably be a 4 there. And then bin for binary. Okay, notice it goes to that directory. I am going to do Mongo D. This is the server. So I'm going to launch the server. Okay, so it's waiting for connections. See down here it says waiting for connections on port 2017. You want to leave that open. I'm going to minimize it, but I'm not going to close it. And then I'm going to open a second command window. And I'm going to, again, go to the CD program files, MongoDB, server, 3.6 in my case, probably 4 in yours, bin. And then I'm going to this time just do Mongo. And Mongo, I'm going to make this take over the whole screen. Mongo sets up the client, the command line client. And I'm going to say use climate. Okay, this assumes that we've done it. And then just to make sure that it's there, I'm going to do db.climate twitter.find. I might even do pretty here, just to make it look better, and then you can see that it goes through and it says type IT for more, which I'm not going to do, but I was mostly wanting to confirm that yes, indeed, the data is here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the assignment here, and I'm just going to run the first query. I'm going to do 2 of them for you. So I'm going to get the count of how many times the words climate change appear. So I'm going to do Control C. I'm going to go to the command prompt. I'm going to actually I'm just going to should right click. That's we'll do Control V won't work. Enter didn't work. Right click usually just enters it. Let's do this again. I'm going to copy this. So let's actually copy it this way. And then when I come here, if I right click, or if that fails, I can go here and I can go to edit and I can do paste. That's not the way I was planning on doing it, but that'll work. And when I run it, we need a text index. That's actually good to know. So we need to add this text index. I thought it came with the import. So let's I'm going to go real quickly to the web. I'm going to just say MongoDB create text index. I will put this into the so let's do this. And then I will add this to the assignment too. Oops, not there. So I am going to do the column that I want to have the index on is actually text, right? So I am going to do db climate Twitter create index, and I'm going to say the field is going to be text and text. Let's see if that works. All right, let's try it again. If you use the up arrow, you can get this. I am going to come back here and take the quotes off of this one. See if that makes a difference. Oops. Parentheses is necessary. So I'm looking at this. Oh, I know what I forgot. It wasn't the quotes. It was the curly braces. Let's see if that runs. Yes. So I'm going to add that column, that command to the I'm going to add this command to the assignment. Let's see if my Twitter, if basically what we did now will run. So I'm going to copy this again. I'm going to go back here. I will, since it's not giving me that, I will do edit paste. And it did give me the count. So it worked. So let me do one more, and then I will add that thing to the assignment. So I'm going to highlight this. Hopefully you'll have less trouble highlighting. Copy. And again, this is just going to give us the count of terms the global warming. So again, if I go to edit, paste, it will give me a count of how many times the terms global warming appear in here. And that's actually all you have to do to run these. Okay. So I'm going to modify the assignment slightly to add the index, and we will I'll let you finish this. So that'll be the end of this video.